Two eels are locked in a sudden underwater fight, twisting and snapping in a tense showdown. As their struggle escalates, a massive grouper rushes in, sensing weakness and trying to seize the moment. Chaos erupts as the fight turns into a feeding opportunity. But then, from the blue, a shark appears. Fast, decisive. In seconds, the balance shifts again. One predator interrupts another, reminding us how brutal and unpredictable life underwater really is. In the ocean, every fight can become a meal, and survival depends on timing, speed, and pure instinct.